What's going on, everybody? Fast Action Blades here. Got another Airsoft video today. I went out and I picked up the AK-47 Kalashnikov, battery powered. It's my first battery powered piece. Everything else is just spring, and it's supposed to be 200 FPS, which is kind of low, and normally I wouldn't go that low, but in this case, you know, I read a couple reviews on it, and the rate of fire made up for the lack of firepower. So anyways, let's take the box off here, the top of the box, see how it looks. Got some instructions here. And there we have it. It's, hopefully you can see it there, if there's not too much glare with the plastic. But anyways, we got the gun here, which looks sweet, very sweet. And the strap here, so I can put it over my shoulder and look pretty badass. That'll be awesome. And my charger here, and my clip, and I guess this is the battery right in here. So anyways, we're going to take this out of the plastic, put it together, and we will be right back. Alright, well, that was simple to put together. I basically put the strap on, popped the clip in. I didn't put the battery in. I'm going to charge that up and get it ready to go. But I mean, so simple. Just clip comes in and out. Loading is right in here. You just pop this little piece up here, put the BBs in, and you're good to go. Anyways, yeah, it was pretty simple, straightforward. Looks awesome. The sight's pretty nice on it. Anyways, not bad for the price. So anyways, stay tuned for some future videos with this. Hopefully I'll get it out to test soon. I don't know how soon. It's hasn't been nice weather lately, so we'll see how that goes. Anyways, stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.